the great big bouncing Hiccups. Squirrel was having a super-duper zippy day. His little orange legs were a blur as he zoomed around the giant oak tree, feeling fast, fast, fast. Zip, whoosh, thought Squirrel. He loved being fast. Suddenly, he skidded to a stop. He spotted something amazing. It was a giant, bright purple jiggly berry hanging low on a green bush. Squirrel didn't stop to think. He opened his mouth wide and, gulp, he swallowed the whole jiggly berry in one bite. Immediately, his body went up, hiccup-boing. The massive hiccups were bouncing him around the forest floor like a fuzzy rubber ball. First, Squirrel laughed, hiccup-boing, over a mossy log, hiccup-boing, over a pile of leaves. It was a bouncy, jumpy game. But then, hiccup-boing, he bounced right onto the head of Badger, who was very calmly smelling a daisy. Badger looked up slowly, his black and white markings steady. Squirrel tumbled off and tried everything. He tried spinning fast, faster than ever. He tried holding his tiny nose. He even tried standing on his head. Hiccup-boing, hiccup-boing. Nothing worked. Then came the super-duper mega hiccup, hiccup-booing. Squirrel shot up high, landing with a wobble on a low, thick tree branch. He was stuck and wobbly and very worried. Squeak! Help! He cried. Badger looked up. His voice was deep and calm. Squirrel, said Badger, you are going too fast. You need to slow down. Watch me. Badger placed his paws on his big belly. Badger took a huge, slow, deep breath in, whoosh, and let it all out slowly. Squirrel copied him. He breathed in slow, held, and let it out slow. The massive bounces stopped. The hiccups disappeared. Squirrel carefully climbed down, feeling steady for the first time all day. Slowing down was a very good thing. Badger smiled and shared a tiny, normal-sized blueberry with his friend. Want another? He asked gently.